Step 1. Remove the stopper. These can typically be twisted off for easy removal. Step 2. Insert the smart dumbbell into the drain and turn counterclockwise. What is a smart dumbbell? It is a tub drain removal tool wrench that makes it easier to twist out the drain flange like you see our plumber Adam doing here. Step 3. Clean around the drain and remove any putty residue you might see. This will ensure that you have a clean slate for when you place the new drain flange in. Step 4. Put plumber's putty around the new drain flange. You want to put this all the way around the new drain flange underneath the lip of it. Step 5. Insert the drain flange into the drain hole. Use the smart dumbbell again to tighten it in. Step 6. Wipe away any extra putty. You've successfully installed a drain flange.